Hello, amazing moms, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: electric breast pumps. I'm Emma, and I'm so glad to have Lena, a certified lactation consultant, here to guide us. Lena, thanks for joining. Hi, Emma, it's a pleasure to be here. Let's demystify breast pumps. An electric breast pump is a fantastic tool that helps express milk, whether you're building a supply, returning to work, or sharing feeding duties. Great question. The main types are hospital-grade pumps, which are powerful and great for establishing supply, and portable pumps, which are perfect for on the go. When choosing, look for adjustable suction levels to match your comfort, and crucially, make sure you have the right flange size. Okay, so we've got our pump. What's the best way to get started? First, get comfortable and relax. This helps with milk flow. Place the flange correctly over your nipple, ensuring a good seal. Once your milk starts flowing, switch to the slower, deeper expression mode. A good rhythm is key, and consider a hands-free pumping bra. It's a lifesaver for multitasking. How do we keep everything clean and safe? This is non-negotiable. After every use, wash all parts that touch your milk with soap and hot water. Once dry, store them in a clean, covered container. For milk storage, remember the rule of 4s. 4 hours at room temperature, 4 days in the fridge, and up to a year in a deep freezer. What if pumping feels uncomfortable, or we're not getting much milk? If your output seems low, try pumping in the morning when supply is often highest, and stay hydrated. Pumping after a warm shower can also help. This has been incredibly helpful, Lena. You're doing an amazing job, and support is always available. We hope this guide empowers you on your pumping journey.